So recently I was working on a Blender project and I needed a character. So I went to Mixamo and there was this character which sort of like matched what I needed. So I downloaded it, and when I integrated it in my Blender scene, when I imported it, so the character's hair was broken. I was using EV engine, by the way. So I thought maybe other people are facing this problem. I found a quick fix. So I went to the material properties of hair, and I saw that the rendering mode, and there was like to set to by default set to blended, and you have to change it to tethered, and that will fix your problem. So here's a quick video about that. Yeah.